Most GoHighLevel users think custom objects are just some advanced feature like any other one. And in almost every other video, you will get to hear the same thing. Custom objects let you store more data, custom objects help you relate data, custom objects are powerful, and yada yada yada. But very few people actually show how far you can take them. Today, I'm going to show you how custom objects can go up to 3 deep levels. And once you understand the structure, it's only your creativity that limits whether you use 3 tiers, 4 tiers, or even 5. And to make it real, I'm going to break down a complete multi-level system that every business understands, a loan and installment management system built entirely inside GoHighLevel. Hello everyone, this is Hasnan Sultan from ZortLogics, and today I'm going to walk you through a real-world example that proves why custom objects are a game changer, not for agencies, but for every business using GoHighLevel. Let me show you how things used to work in the past. Imagine a business that provides loans or installments-based services. They need to track loan amount, interest, installments, due dates, missed payments, penalties, status updates. With old GoHighLevel, this was done with tags, custom fields, notes, pipelines, Google Sheets, and manual reminders. Everything was scattered. Automations broke, tracking was impossible, scaling was a nightmare. And honestly, this is why dashboards used to fall apart. Now, with custom objects, we can build a proper structured system exactly like a mini banking CRM, all inside GoHighLevel. Let me show you how. Object A, borrower. That means a contact. This is the person taking the loan. Nothing special here, just a normal contact record. Object B, that's loan. This is where it starts getting powerful. We create a brand new object called loan. Fields include loan ID, loan amount, loan interest rate, start and end date, total payable, loan status, linked contact, the borrower. This means one contact can now have multiple loans, something GHL couldn't do before. And the object number 3, that is installment. Now the magic. Each loan can have multiple installments further. Installment fields include installment number, amount, due date, status that can be paid, pending or overdue, payment date, linked loan. This creates a perfect parent-to-child relationship. A loan has many installments, a contract has many loans, all structured. Nothing breaks. And now let's explore how this feature has empowered automations or workflows. When a loan is created, GoHighLevel automatically create installment records. No manual entry, all done by workflows. And the next is due reminders. When the due date arrives, workflows send WhatsApp reminders, email, SMS, or agent notification in the app as well. Missed payments. If the installment becomes overdue, it's update the status, penalty reminders go out, agents gets a task, dashboard displays overdue count. And the loan completion. When all installments are paid, loan status updates to completed, customers get congratulations message, agents get notified, and dashboards update instantly. Now, as we have everything structured, we can build dashboards like total active loans, expected revenue, overdue installments, customer-wise history, loan performance, interest collected over the last quarter, cash flow forecast, and many more. This is real ERP level reporting inside GoHighLevel. And this was just an example. You can use the same concept to build real estate property, offers and visits, course, batches, students, fleet, vehicle, trips, referral, commissions, payout, gym, membership renewals, projects, tasks, subtasks. This is where the future of GHL is headed. In the next videos, I'll take you step by step on my screen because the goal is to help you build real-world complex workflows using custom objects with confidence. We are going to build actual scenarios together, so stay tuned. The full playlist is on the way.